To install the Fireball Mark II, you'll begin by selecting an underspoke to install the light board on. There should be another spoke crossing over the installation spoke. Next, take the long side of the board and insert an installation tie through the bottom hole around the spoke nearest the wheel hub. Repeat this step for the hole at the top of the light board, fastening it to the same spoke. Next, you'll remove the slack by pulling the ties as tightly as possible. Now you will need to fasten the remaining hole at the bottom of the board on the opposite end. Insert the last insulation tie through the hole and fasten it around the spoke. Ensure that there is no slack left in the tie. Lastly, you will use a pair of scissors or snippers to remove the ends of the installation ties so they will not get caught in the wheel.